guys, today I'm going to cook some sausage and eggs in the air fryer oven. I have some breakfast sausage links here from the New York Style Sausage Company, made in California. Got these at the grocery outlet. I think these were $3.98 for that 12-ounce package. They're kind of linked together, so I'll cut them apart. Might as well just cook them all. I'm not going to cook any potatoes or anything with this, so I guess I'll just cook all 6 of them here, and then I'll cook these first and then put the eggs in last when the sausage is browned up. So this 10-inch cast iron skillet is lightly oiled, fits perfectly in my oven, so let's get those in there. I put the oven rack in the middle of the oven. I'm going to use the air fry setting set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and when those sausages are browned up pretty nice, I'll add the eggs. It's been about 11 minutes. Let's see how those look. Those look pretty good. I'm going to add the eggs now. Alright, I'll add a couple of eggs here. Okay. There we go. I'll get those back into the oven. I switched this to the air roast setting for the eggs just because I think they cook a little bit better on that setting. They don't get as well done as on air fry. And same temperature, 450. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's see how these look. I think those are good. Alright, let's see how this looks. I didn't turn the sausage over. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Yeah, it's browned a little bit, not quite as much as the top. See here how my eggs are looking. They didn't stick to the pan. Yeah, the bottom looks good. It's not burned. So, got the nice runny yolk there, which I like. Let's take one of these sausage and try it out. Got to get a little of that yolk on there. Alright, there we go. Came out good. And it looks kind of half asleep, but we'll see what she thinks. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. Looks like it's Annie approved. So that was about 11 minutes for the sausage and 5 minutes for the eggs, so about 16 minutes total. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.